Today, we're talking about to share a lightweight web component that's going to make your content way more shareable and accessible. It's called heading anchors. You know those nifty anchor links you see on GitHub README files? The ones that let you link directly to a specific section? Well, that's exactly what heading anchors does for your web pages. So, what's the big deal? First off, heading anchors is super lightweight. It automatically adds anchor links to your heading elements. We're talking H1 through H6, as long as they have unique ID attributes. Alright, let's get into how you can actually use this thing. First, you'll want to install heading anchors via npm. Then, import it as a module into your project. Now, wrap your headings and content inside the heading anchors custom element. Here's what a basic heading would look like before and after using the component. Plus, you can personalize the text within the anchor links using the prefix property, and even switch up the default anchor character, which is. Styling that character is as simple as adding your own CSS to the placeholder class. So, there you have it. Heading anchors is a fantastic way to enhance both the shareability and accessibility of your content. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more web development tips, and drop a comment below if you've got any questions. And don't forget to check out my website for more resources. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.